What is evolution really but innovation in slow motion? Nature has always solved her problems with endless patience and astounding ingenuity. In the technology business, innovation is impatient, the challenges are pressing, change the only constant. The nimble are rewarded, those who lose a step perish. Climate threats are accelerating at the blistering pace of technology. We don't have the luxury of millennia. We need innovative thinking here and now. Business must be a platform for change and an essential source of innovation. And business must drive and support the ecopreneurial thinking our planet so desperately needs. Through innovation, education, and mobilization, we will continue to thrive together as a planet, as a species, as people. Caring for this planet that has forever cared for us is simply the next great step in human evolution.